Hello everyone and welcome to Japanese N5 learning. Well, you will be learning about the particles of the Japanese N5, and today in this video we are going to learn about the Japanese particle ni, its function and where we use it. So let's begin with this video. Let us talk about the functions of the particle ni. The first function, it shows the location of existence. It shows where someone or something is located or exists. The next function is it expresses direction. The particle ni directs an action towards a destination. This means it shows towards which destination an action is performed or an action is being performed. The next function is it expresses purpose. It shows the purpose for an action. The particle ni also expresses time. It shows the time at which an action is performed or an action is being performed. The next function is the particle ni is used as an indirect object marker. It marks the person to which an action is being performed. Now let us discuss all the functions in detail. Let us talk about the first function, that is location of existence. It is used to express the location where somewhere or something exists. Basically, we use this with two verbs, mainly two verbs, imas and arimas. Imas is used for animate objects like cats, dogs, and humans, which are living things, whereas arimas is used for inanimate things such as a key, a telephone, or a pencil, which are non-living things. So the particle ni shows where these animate objects and inanimate objects exist or they are located. To understand this more clearly, let us take an example. Let us look at this picture. In this picture, we can see a cat and a dog, and they are living things. And if you want to talk about the location of the cat, we can use the particle ni to show where the cat is located on the table in such a way. Tsukue no ue ni neko ga imasu. Tsukue means a table, ue means on top, and neko means a cat, and we use imasu because a cat is a living object, is a animate things. See that the particle ni shows where the cat is lying on the table. It shows that the cat is lying on top of the table. Similarly, if you want to talk about the location of the dog, we can say Tsukue no shita ni inu ga imasu. Inu means a dog, and imasu because a dog is a living object or a living thing. Shita means under. By using the particle ni shows the position of the dog. It shows the location of the dog. Now let us talk about the function of particle ni for inanimate objects, for non-living things. Let us take a look at this picture, and if you want to talk about the position of the book, how do you say it? Well, you can say Tsukue no ue ni hon ga arimasu, as we have already studied. Ue means on top, hon means a book. We use arimasu because a book is an inanimate object. It's a non-living thing. So by using ni, we know the position of the book. It is on top of the table. Let us talk about the next function, that is it expresses direction. Imagine that this is a destination and you are going towards this destination. The particle ni can be translated as to when indicating a destination. It shows the location towards which an action is performed. Let us take an example to understand this more clearly. This is a school and you are going towards the school. And you want to show that you are going to school. You want to show the direction that you are going to the school. You can use particle ni in such a way. Gakko ni ikimasu. Gaku ni ikimasu. I am going to school. By using the particle ni in this sentence, we can see that we are showing the direction, that is towards the school. So we can use the particle ni to show the direction. The next function is it expresses time. It shows the time at which an action is being performed or an action is performed. Let's say that you wake up at 9 a.m. in the morning. By using the particle ni, we can show that at 9 a.m. we wake up or we always wake up. Watashi wa kuji ni okimasu. Okimasu means wake up. So by using the particle ni, it shows that at 9 a.m. we wake up. It shows the time at which the verb or the action okimasu, that is waking up, is performed. Now let us say that you sleep at 10 o'clock at night. Using the particle ni, how do you say that at 10 p.m. you sleep? You can say watashi wa 10 ni nemasu. Nemasu means to sleep. So at 10 p.m. we sleep. By using the particle ni, we can show that at 10 p.m. an action sleeping is performed. The next function of the particle ni is it expresses the purpose of an action. Say that you want to go to a hotel or restaurant to eat a sushi. The purpose here is to eat the sushi. If you want to say I went to eat sushi, by using the particle ni, we can show that the purpose of you going is to eat the sushi. The purpose is to eat the sushi. You can say it in such a way. Watashi wa sushi o tabe ni ikimashita. Here ikimasu means to go, tabemasu means to eat. By using the particle ni, we can show that the purpose of you going, the purpose of you ikimasu is to eat the sushi. Sushi o tabemasu. Sushi o tabe ni ikimashita. I went to eat sushi. So the ni shows the purpose of you performing an action. Now if you're still confused, let us take another example. You are going to Japan. You are going to Nihon. The purpose is you're going to Japan for a trip, for a vacation, for a trip. A trip in Japanese language is known as ryoko. You are going to Japan for a trip. The trip is the purpose. You can use ni to show that you are going to Japan for a trip. The purpose is for a trip. You can say it in such a way. Nihon e ryoko ni ikimasu. Nihon e ryoko ni ikimasu. By using the particle ni, you are showing that you are going to Japan for the purpose of a trip, for a purpose of taking a vacation. So we can see clearly that by using the particle ni, we can show why an action is performed, the purpose for an action. Let us discuss the last function of the particle ni, that is indirect object marker. It marks the object of the verb. It marks the person to which an action is performed. It marks the person or the object to which an action is performed. Let us take an example to be more clear. Say that there is a pen and you want to give this pen to someone. You want to give this pen to your mother. The mother is the receiver. Here that means that the mother is the indirect object to which an action is being performed, We can use the ni particle to show that your mother is the receiver of the action that is giving the pen. Suppose we want to say I will give this pen to mother, using the particle ni to show that the mother is the receiver of the action. We can say kono pen haha ni agemasu. Kono pen haha ni agemasu. Agemasu means to give. So using the particle ni, we can clearly see that the mother is the receiver of the action, that is you are giving the pen, that is the action, and the mother is receiving the pen is receiving the action that you are performing. Well, that's all for the Japanese particle ni. I hope by watching this video you have some idea about the Japanese particle ni and its functions. If you want to learn more Japanese, you can download our Kanji app from Google Play Store, or you can go to Facebook and type Kanji Bunpo Daijoubu and use our messenger chatbot to learn Japanese vocabularies and kanjis to improve your Japanese language. See you in the next video.